Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Layang Alma Hazikah binti Awang Irwan, and I'm thrilled to be here to share my love for reading with you all. I am 11-year-old student in class 5 Arif, and reading has become not just a hobby, but a passion of mine. There is something magical about diving into the pages of a book and getting lost in its world. Reading provides a lot of benefits, enjoyment, satisfaction, and interest to the readers. Recently, I have read 5 books, namely The Car, The Trip, The Beach, Gabby's House, and The Lifeboat. The book that I am going to share today is Children's World Encyclopedia. The plot of all the 8 chapters have inspired and motivated me to be positive and build up my confidence level in terms of my study. The publisher of the book is Bluebird Books, an imprint of Sachdeva Publication, New Delhi. The book has 320 pages and has a very nice arrangement of graphics. The first edition was published in December 2001 by Sachdeva Publications. I believe that this book is specially designed for primary school students to gain valuable information about the earth and its inhabitants. The information is provided in the form of answers to questions because curiosity comes into our minds in the form of questions. The book also provides me with additional information that are written as captions to the illustrations and photographs as well as fact-filled boxes. There are 8 chapters with varying topics in this book. The first one being the universe, which discusses about space beyond Earth and the history of the universe existence. The second one is titled Planet Earth, and it talks about the geographical beauty of the Earth. The third chapter is called Plants and Animals, in which it covers the evolution stage of plants and animals. Next, the fourth one is called the human body. This chapter revolves around the biological aspect of the human body. The fifth chapter is Science and Technology, which teaches the basic principles of science through experimentation and observation. Not only that, the encyclopedia also contains a chapter about people and countries that allow the readers to deeply understand cultures around the world. The seventh chapter brings forward the topic surrounding the human survival, along with their lifestyle and creativity. This chapter called The Way We Live. Lastly, the topic of ancient history is also covered as it unpacks the long-running history of the world, which is revealed through fossil evidence. Every chapter is complex and filled with so many details. I haven't been able to understand all of the chapters, but the first chapter called The Moon stood out to me. It is my favorite because I'm curious about the natural world. The moon, Earth's only natural satellite, has fascinated for people of thousands of years. It is a bright, beautiful object in the night sky, and there is so much to learn and love about it. I love to see the moon because its glow makes the night sky look magical. Watching the moon change its shape in the sky over the month is fascinating. Each phase, from a crescent to a full moon, has its own charm. Eclipses are exciting events that make the moon look different and mysterious. The moon also affects the tides in our ocean, showing how it influences life on Earth. The moon was formed about 4.5 billion years ago, not long after Earth. Scientists believe it was created when a large object collided with Earth, sending debris into space that eventually came together to form the moon. The moon orbits Earth at an average distance of about 384,400 kilometers, 238,850 miles, and it takes about 27.3 days to complete one orbit. The moon's surface is covered with craters, mountains, and flat areas called maria. These features were created by impacts from space rocks and volcanic activity. The craters make the moon look bumpy and give it a unique appearance. One of the most interesting things about the moon is its phases. As the moon orbits Earth, we see different parts of it lit up by the sun, creating phases like the new moon, crescent moon, and full moon. This cycle repeats every 29.5 days. Sometimes, the moon, earth, and sun line up perfectly, causing an eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when Earth's shadow falls on the moon, making it look red. A solar eclipse occurs when the shadow falls on Earth, blocking the sun for a short time. From learning about the moon, you can understand how celestial bodies move and interact. You can see how the phases are a result of its orbit around Earth and how eclipses happen. Studying the moon's surface can teach you about the history of our solar system and the forces that shape planets and moons. By learning about the moon, you can better appreciate and understand science behind its movements and effects on Earth. It is heartening for me, and I am certain for many others too, to know that the book is written for children. This encyclopedia provides me with up-to-date knowledge about everything from Earth, science to astronomy, ancient history to the atomic structure, the evolution of life forms to the evolution of religion, customs, traditions of people all over the world to the world that exists inside of me. In conclusion, I think that encyclopedia is intended not only to make learning fun, but also to initiate and encourage children into building their knowledge bank and also their vocabulary. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a nice day. Bye.